Everyone, so today in this video I'll show you some examples how you can iterate over array elements. So for example, I have this array of names where I have three names, James, Shane and Robert, and I want to iterate this array and print each individual elements of an array. So I can use a for method. I can use a for which will basically go through each element. So this is the way I can do. I'll start with this is the way I can use the for method, and then length and I plus plus. I is basically the index which I'm using, and then if I print console.log and then names I, it will print individual elements. So now if I execute, I can see James, Shane and Robert. So what is happening here, this names dot length, it is giving me the length of the array, which is basically 3, and I is the index. So we all know, like, array always starts with index 0. So names 0 will return me James. Then in the next loop, I becomes 1, so names I is Shane, that's why Shane is getting printed. And in the third one, it's names 2, which that is why the Robert is getting printed. So this is the way how we can use the for loop to go through individual element of the array and print that. So the next one which I want to show you is that another version of the for, but this time instead of writing this lengthy one, what we can do, we can just put some index in and then our name of the array, which is names, and then I can use that index here. So it will do the same thing. I'm still printing James, Shane and Robert, and this is the index which will keep on running until unless the names is having no more element to iterate. So this is another way how we can iterate through the JavaScript array. The next one which I want to show you is a for each method. So for each method is a kind of an advanced method to go through each of the element of the array. So this is a syntax. So name of the array followed by the for each, and then this element is basically the element will store the individual element of the array. So let me put this as a single name. And then what I can do, I can print the single name of the array here like this. And it will do the same thing. It will print James, Shane and Robert, or I can do, let's say, 2 uppercase. What it will do then, it will print sorry, if I change that, it will change individual element of the array in uppercase and will print that. So we can use also the for each method to iterate through the array and print out individual element of the array. So if you like this video, please share and hit the like icon, and also please subscribe to my channel to get update about all my upcoming videos.